Greetings. So we want to look today at how we do some basic link prospecting. So we start in Google, which is one of the best places to do your link prospecting. So today, let's say we're going after the keyword Greek islands. So we'll start with Greek islands. There's one that's suggested. So Google's going to show us everything that's Greek islands, but this is a little bit too broad. So what we want to actually have happen is to start look for very specific Greek islands in that order, so we put the quotation marks around it. We get another list of Greek islands down here, but this is still very broad. We're not going to be able to look at all of these for links. So the next thing we want to do is to narrow down our search to just be site, and then we put in, this is called an operator, is a wildcard anything.com. And now we come up with a list of Greek islands, and this is, you'll get this every now and again. It's just Google's way of seeing that you're not a bot, you're a human. So now we've got a Greek islands, the site is .com, and here's a list of everything that has Greek islands on the site with the operator wildcard.com. But we want to look a little bit more deeply. We want to see in the URL, colon, it has the word links. We hit on that, and now we've got best links top 10 Greek islands. So here's a site that's already been indexed for Google that would be a great place to submit to get a link. Another one, so you go through all of these, Absolute Greece, here's another one. So you look at it. This one looks okay. A little spammy, but possibly something that we could look at. So beyond just the .com, another way is now, okay, I've looked at all the .com sites, and now I want to see what .org might have. So now we've got list of links on General College for the Neo-Byzantine website. So these are all the links on culture. So this might be one that we look at to submit our culture link. So these are all just really good ways. So you up here you select the wildcard. You do .org, .com, .edu, and it always looks for that specific keywords. Greek island site.edu, and then all of the different places where there's links already on. Another one that we like to use is resources. And so these are all resources links around Greek island. Maybe on this one we use .com. And again, another way of finding links and resources of when you go. Another one we'll use as well is directory. And again, another way of finding a list of directories of things around the Greek islands. And then when you get tired of the Greek islands, then you can do something like Greek beaches. And again, you'll get this where nothing comes up, but then if we look here and we change it to resources, you end up finding more places. So now we've leveled it down to just 3 spots that have GreekBeaches.com site resources. So that's some basic ways of how we do link prospecting using Google and different operators at Digital Firefly.